The mackerel well golden brown there, some fried platinum. Alright, my people can see gungo rice there well shelly, well steamy, fried platinum, see French fried tin mackerel there, and see spice there. See? Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen recipe for today. Some French fried tin mackerel. Please like and share. It's a recipe I got nice. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my recipe. Remember, French fry tin mackerel with congo rice. Tasteable, eatable, and some star fruit juice. So please like and share. Peeps, I can't do without you, you know. Like, big up to the supporters them, big up to the viewers them, big up to the likers, and big up to all who left a comment, and big up to all who now support the things. So we still give a thanks. God bless all of you, right? Give thanks and praise to you. God bless you. This is Lumberjack, you know? Yeah, man. So please like and share. Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen recipe for today. Some French fry tin mackerel with gungo rice. The gungo there you can see have some pimento, ginger, and garlic. You can see garlic down there. You can see pimento seed. You can see ginger them cut up in some small pieces. And known as we have some star fruit, known as gimbling and ginger. Right? That is juice right here. You can see we have a big jack mackerel here. These mackerel are my last name, Jack Mackerel. So these ketchup make the sauce. We have some barbecue sauce here. Remember, I say a French fried tin mackerel, you know, so we're going to French fry the mackerel and make some different sauce with it. So you know, the plantain as usual, and the rice and the gungo peas. Inside of the gungo peas, we have the pepper here. We have some pimento seed. We have some garlic. We have onion, thyme, and scallion. It's a recipe I go nice. Also, see coconut over here put in the gungo rice, right? Recipe I go nice, eatable, tasteable. Remember, French fry, tin mackerel, known as French fry, jack mackerel. Please like and share. Recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Yeah, my people, see, starting by washing the star fruit them. You have to wash them good enough. I don't know them thing here. Town will buy them, so you have to wash them, see, safe for food else. Wash them on a clean running water so ginger. Wash off the dirt off it clean like these. See? Come on. Running water and wash them like this. Alright? That juice are nice, man, and drinkable and tasteable. So you remove this water, right? Like this. So water dirty. So I'm going to get a second wash now. So you now 2 times wash it, right? Empty the water. Right. Rinse out these plates right here. I'm starting to cut up the star fruit now, right? You know where I'm going to cut up the star fruit like this, put it in 4 like this. Put it like this. That juice I got drinkable, tasteable. Please like and share. Right? Cut up the ginger. We now peel it in the strong part of the skin. Some people peel it, but we now peel it, right? Strong nutriment in the skin. See, the man set up at a whistle outside. Alright, peeps, see? But I'm going to deal with my mackerel now, right? And by French fry mackerel now, so I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to deal with it. Put it like this. Show us the gravy off it like this. See, empty, too big chunk in it. Pan drop from the star. So I'm remove the bone like this. Put one side here. Remove the bone again like this. So I'm going to dry them off with a napkin, right? Dry them off how me want them, right? Press them up here. Dry it off again like this. Press it up here, so again. Dry it off again like this. Disgusting. Right, and PVC, I have some flour here, so I'm going to season up the flour, right? Some Maggi, all purpose. But French fry tin mackerel now. Right, and peeps see there, I'll go on there, yeah man. Tin mackerel well flour down and thing there, no man. See, that I make a sauce about this one thing, you see. Have some spice put up there, some fried plat and see all there. So lot French fried tin mackerel. Oh, French fried tin mackerel. See, it's some creative. French fried tin mackerel. people say French fried tin mackerel look pretty. The months them there. Yeah man outside. Yeah, my people say tin mackerel and crystal brown. Yeah man and crispy. Then back French fried tin mackerel. Get a piece stick there. Remember, you know, French fries, tin mackerel make the soft eat, you know. Yum peeps here, eh? The sauce there. One French fry tin mackerel. Tin mackerel well golden brown there. Some fried platinum. But Jamaican cooking, you know, like and share. You have to subscribe. Alright, my people can see gungo rice there well shelly. Well steamy. Fried platinum. See French fried tin mackerel there. And see spice there. Maybe some barbecue. See there? It's a barbecue tin mackerel there. We have some star fruit known as gimbrin. Another preview you can see. Rice and peas. Hungry rice, well shelly. Yeah. Tin mackerel presentable in the plate. Fried platinum. Lumberjack dinner time. Please like and share. Your people can see. I'm on see the French fried tin mackerel. I'm on. See? Nice. Eatable.